I gave the task of the day, no? Did you finish that one? Once again, we'll recheck it. In task of the day, I gave, no? Nagarjuna Sagar Dam. Where it is Nagarjuna Sagar Dam? On the Krishna River. Nagarjuna Sagar Dam is on the Krishna River. It is in the Nalgonda district, Telangana. And more examples we will see here. Tehri Dam. Tehri multi-project. It is the highest project in India. Highest project in India and 10th highest in the world. And it is on the Bhagirathi River. It is in Uttarakhand. It is in Uttarakhand. Next one, Bakra Nangal. It also very famous. This project also. It is on Satluj River. You know Satluj River? It is the tributary of Indus River. Tributary of Indus River. Next one, in Andhra Pradesh also one more is there. On the Krishna River only. One is there in the Telangana, Nagarjuna Sagar Dam. And in Andhra Pradesh, Kurnool district. Did you know Kurnool district? There we'll go to one temple now, Mallikarjun temple. That is in the Sri Sailam. So this project is there in the Sri Sailam project. That is the Sri Sailam project on the Krishna River in the Kurnool district. And one more is Sardar project. This also there on the Narmada River. These are the great, highest, multiple projects in India. And yesterday I gave the task also, no, that solar energy where they are preparing. Okay, it is in the tropical regions. In Africa also it will get, in Africa you don't know, 3 lines are passing, 0 degree, equator, 23.5 Capricorn, 23.5 Cancer. So more tropics there in Africa. In tropical region they will prepare the solar energy. You know where they will use the solar energy? In the module 5 we discussed, no, where they will use in the solar cooker and traffic signals, our community lights in the, we will see the street lights, no? Street lights also they will use the solar energy. Already we discussed how the solar energy will prepare. They will keep the solar panels. In the solar panels, the cells collect together. They will trap the sunlight and the sunlight converted into solar energy. It converted into solar energy. Now we'll see the more interesting topic. So these are the non-conventional resources. Okay, pollution free they are. Now olden days, did you know? Now the ships they are sailing in the water now. With the diesel they will sail. Okay, they need the energy. But olden days, did you know how the ship? So they will follow the wind direction. Where the wind direction is there, so according to the wind direction the ships are moving. Arabians they followed mostly the wind direction. So then they come to know wind also energy, it gives the energy. See, during the cyclone time we'll watch the news, no? During cyclone time how the big trees, how many years they are, 150 years, 100 years, that much strong trees also, because of the high wind in the during cyclone time they are uprooted, they will fall. Means the wind have more energy. So from the wind also we can produce the energy. So in module 6 today, in our module we'll discuss about the how the energy produced from the wind, that is called the wind energy. I will show the PPT presentation from the wind energy, how they are producing the from wind to electrical. Next one we'll see one more example, tidal energy. You know the tides, no? Where you can see the tides in the ocean, we can see the tides. So here when the tides are flowing in the ocean, they will high tide, low tides. So these tides also have the energy. When sometime we'll go to the seashore, no, to enjoy will go, no, that time what will happen, when the high tide will come to the shore, we'll all go to inside because of the force, again will come. Like that the tides also have the energy. So from the tides also will prepare the energy. Next one we'll see the waste material will get in our house, no. What the waste material will get? Vegetable peels, vegetable peel will take out, no, like that some dust waste will get from the house. Some waste will get from the house. From this waste also we can prepare the power. Did you know that one? We don't know, that's why we are throwing the waste now. So many cities, the government is collecting this waste. From the waste also they are preparing the energy. That is called the biogas. That is called the biogas. So here decayed leaves, dead things, anything are waste is there. From that they will compost and they will prepare the energy. How they will prepare, we'll see that one also. So today we are discussing about the how the energy is prepared from the wind, from the tide, from the biogas. We can see in our module. Let's see the PowerPoint. Now in this module 6, we'll discuss about wind energy, tidal energy, biomass energy. In detail we'll see these three energies, how they are producing. Now in this picture you observe what these all are the windmills, cluster of windmill. They will produce the energy. How they will produce? See here, single I took here. What are this one? How they are looking like? In our fan you can see, no, in our house also in the fan. These are called blades. Here these are called blades. How many are there here? 3 blades are there. Now from the wind, how they will produce the wind energy in detail we'll see here. Wind has more power. How the wind power energy converted into electricity we'll see. Wind has the kinetic energy. The kinetic energy, how they are, see here, blades catch the wind and spin. That wind here they tapped and here they kept the cells here. Inside we can see the, now we can't see, but inside they kept the cells. Generator converts the mechanical energy, kinetic energy into a electricity. It converted kinetic energy into a electricity. Now this electricity from here, from the generator to here inside we can see the wire, electrical wire, cable wires. Through the cable wire like this they will send to the down. Cables carrying the electricity to the transmission line. So like this they are sending down. Here the storage capacity is there. So they will store here, and here from here they will convert to the, send to the power station. From here they will send to the power station. Now you understand now how the wind energy is producing. So the wind is captured by the blades. Blades will rotate. When the wind is moving, these blades will rotate. Wind will blow always in one direction only? No. It will change the direction. Then how this blades will know which direction? Here you, to find the wind direction, they will use the wind vane. Wind vane is the, shows the direction. Wind is in which direction. They will fix here wind vane. Automatically this blades will turn. Now it faces towards this side now. Suppose wind is moving this side. Automatically the wind vane change this blades direction. They will with the spring action they will move that side. So all the directions the blades will move. Which side wind is blowing, that side automatically they will rotate. Like that they are producing the wind energy. Then what is the advantage of this wind energy? So it is free, wind is the free, and more wind is available, no need to buy, and more also available here. This is the renewable. How much we are using, again we will get it back. These are the advantages of the wind energy. Then where you can use this one, places where they can produce, mostly in the mountain areas. Mostly in the mountain areas, coastal areas, the wind energy is more. Wind speed is more. There they can locate the this one. Then what is the disadvantage of this wind energy? So here the cost is more. To set this all individually you cannot do. Government only will do this one. that, and another one is it produce more sound pollution. They will rotate, no, these blades will rotate, no. Here only single one I am showing. Earlier we saw so many clusters, no, that all clusters are rotating, then the sound is more, no. So it is the sound pollution. Next here some disturbance to the signals also. Will receive the radio TV signals, no, from the satellite, that also disturbance for that. And the birds flying also disturbance, this one only, this is the disadvantage. Now we'll see in the India where they are producing. See in India where they are there, this one, wind power density. See here 350 to 450, 300 to 350, 250 to 300, 200 to 250, these areas. So yellow color is the light producing, dark is more wind energy. So here mostly Gujarat is there, Madhya Pradesh is there, Tamil Nadu is there. So here little only is there, Andhra Pradesh, Orissa, West Bengal only little producing, and Karnataka more. Here Western Ghats are there, no, you know Western Ghats, these are the hills, Western Ghats. I told already in mountain areas and coastal area, this is the coastal area. So here this is the mountain area. Here also Aravalli mountains are there. Like this the windmills are located in India. Now we'll see the tidal energy. Tidal means what, ma? You know, anytime you saw in the ocean we can see the tides. The water movement. The water will move up and down, that is called the tidal. So here three types of movements are there. Waves are there, tides are there. We'll see the tidal. How the ocean water will get the tides here? When the earth is rotating around the sun, and because of the gravitational force, it will get the tides. In the ocean we can see the tides. These tides are two types, high tides, low tides. High tide means the water will rise up and it come to the coastal area. Now see here, this is the ocean. Now this is the coastal area. Like this, from here to tides are coming this side. Then how they will produce the tidal energy from the tides? Mostly in the Gulf, where the narrow belt is there they will produce this tidal energy. How they will produce this tidal energy? See here mechanism, how they are producing. This is the ocean. There they will build the dam like this. This is the dam. Barrage is there. This is the dam. Here in the dam, gate is there. This is called, here gates are there, no? This is the gate. When this tide is coming, high tides are coming from the ocean, then like this they are coming, no? When the tide is coming, the gate will open. Afterwards, the gate will closes. This what the water came from this side opposite to the dam, it will not go back again. The gates will close. Here the gates will close and they will retain the water. See the water level is more is there here compared to in the ocean. Here this side of the dam, opposite side of the dam, more level is there. See here. When the high tide is coming, this one they will trap the water here only without going back to the ocean. The construction dam is like that. Now in this here what happened? This more water is there, no? Now here see this more water is there, no? So here what they will do? This water now sending to the turbine. Here turbine is there. It will rotate. When this water force is there, it will rotate. The turbine will rotate and here the energy will release. Already you know when the water forcing water going to the turbine, here blades are there. The blades will rotate and will produce the electricity power. That power they will send to through the pipe here. Top of the barrage they will send like this. So this is they are producing the tidal energy in this way in the coastal areas. where the basin is narrow like a gulf. In the bay, it is not possible to produce the tidal energy. Then what is the advantage of this tidal energy? So here also the water is free and it is the renewable. How much we are using, you can use. But here disadvantage is to construct this one. It is somewhat difficult. Only that is the disadvantage. Mostly tidal energy we can see in the coastal areas. European countries, it is cost effective also. To making the tidal energy, it is a cost effective. Mostly you can see in the European countries, they are well developed countries and they have the most coastal area. Like Portugal, coastal area is there. France, UK, United Kingdom is the island. Around water is there. USA, coastal area more is there. So which countries they have the most coastal areas, there they will produce the tidal energy. America, 50% of the energy they are using from the tidal energy only. In our India, we can see the tidal energy in the Gujarat. Why we can see only in the Gujarat? We also have the lot of the coastal area, no? 9 states are there. West Bengal, Orissa, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, Goa, Gujarat. Out of these many states, why only we can see in the Gujarat? Because in the Gujarat, we can see the Gulf is there. So it is easy to construct the barrage there. The mouth is narrow. The mouth is narrow. We'll see before India map. See here, now see here. This gulf, this is called the gulf. This full is called the bay. Bay means wide mouth, wide opening area. Ocean wide opening area. Here also wide is there. That's why it is not possible. So here also tides are coming. To trap the tides, it is difficult here. That's why we can't see here producing the tidal energy. Only in the Gujarat. See here one gulf is there, here one gulf is there. Narrow inlet, narrow inlet. There they will build the bridge here to trap the tidal water. Now you understand only these two places why the tidal energy. Okay. Now we'll move to the biogas. See here biogas. Earlier in early days, early man, they use the cow dung as a fuel. Means from the cow dung also we can get the energy. We can use. How you can use cow dung as an energy source? So here what they are saying, scientists, what we are getting the domestic waste cow dung, we can send like this. See here, this is the biogas plant. This is the biogas plant. So here in before picture I show no biogas plant how it look like. We can see only here dome is there. Like this dome area only we can see there. But this inside what is there we can't see. But inside this type of the structure is there. What this structure now we can see in detail. So here what is there here? This is there no? Inlet. This is the inlet chamber. This is the inlet chamber. What they will do, this is above the ground level. Here they will mix the cow dung with water. Slurry of cattle dung and water. They will mix the cow dung with water. That one they will pour in this pipe. This is like a pipe. Inlet chamber. Like this they will pour here. And the waste also they will send through this pipe only. What is our domestic waste? Peel of the vegetables, what we are getting, that all waste, wet waste, not the plastic, which is decomposed, that only we can consider as the waste. We can use here. Then in this we can keep that all. So it take 7 days, 1 week or 2 weeks to compose this. First it has to compose. Suppose you kept the waste in this plant, next day we cannot get the energy. It take 1 week or 2 weeks. When it was composed, decompose, then only it release the gas. The gas mostly methane. 75% gas is the methane. That only we'll use in the cylinder also, no, LPG cylinders, methane gas. That gas will release. That gas will reach to here. See here, white place is there, no? This place occupied by the gas, methane gas. This is the what we throw the waste inside with water, that is this one. After decomposing 1 week or 2 weeks later, the biogas was released. Now what happened, this gas, now here see they set one pipe. Through this pipe we can collect the gas. Outlet for biogas. Through this pipe they will collect the gas. Here valve is there to regulate the gas valve. Like this, this pipe continuation they will send to the domestic purpose. Mostly this biogas plants we can see in the villages. Cow dung is available, no? Where the cattle rearing is there, that places they will see this plants. And it is the cost effective plant. To encourage the people, government is giving the subsidy. Means this plant will take the cost of 2 lakhs. Then the government will give that money to the people and they will give with the low interest rate, and the payment also they will take slowly, and they will give the 1 lakh subsidy. Means they no need to pay to the government. Only 1 lakh they have to pay to the government. Like that they will support the who are want to interest to install this biogas plant. Government will encourage that people, mainly in the rural areas. Now see here, now the gas was released, no, the waste is there now. This waste will come. This is the outlet, this is the inlet, this is the outlet chamber. From this the waste will come again. This waste also again we can use it. Where we can use this outlet waste? It is a good manure to the plants. You can use in the fields. In this nitrogen phosphorus is there, which is useful to grow the plants. This is one more advantage. Here biogas plants, they have 2 advantages. One is we are getting the gas. Another use is you are getting manure also, natural manure, that is the nitrogen phosphorus. You can use to the plants. These are the advantages of the biogas. So this is most important. So now what we discuss today? We discuss about the wind energy, how they are producing, tidal energy. Next one, biogas. Among this all, wind energy, all energies are not polluting. They are not releasing the greenhouse gases. They are not polluting the air. But what is the disadvantage means? Only to construct that one establishment is difficult with the help of the government. Otherwise entirely government only can do that work. Tidal energy is there, wind energy is there. Individually any person cannot invest that much money. So that is only one disadvantage. So many governments are encouraging. Now we require more energy now. Government only getting that they are establishing and they are producing the energy. Now see today task of the day. What you have to do? Already I show one map, no, India map. In India map what I shown wind energy where they are producing. Then I am giving the task of the day is locate the places of, you have to locate the places of tidal energy and biogas plants in India map where they are there. Biogas and tidal energy also I told already. Gujarat is there. So you find out and locate in the map. Thank you.